Hello everyone, so welcome back to the SQL section of data engineering with Animesh, and now we are going to solve a 16 question in SQL series. So the question is product sales analysis 3 and it is rated as medium in the difficulty level of lead code. So let us see the question. So it has two tables, sales and product. So sales table has 5 columns. Sale ID is the primary key. Sale ID and year, sorry, is the combination of the primary key. Product ID is the foreign key to the product table. Each row of this table shows a sale on a product in a certain year. Note that the price is per unit. The prices that would be given would be per unit. The other table is basic table, which is product. It has two columns, product ID and product name, where ID is the primary key, and each row of this table indicates the product name of each product. Okay. So write a solution to select the product ID, year, quantity, price for the first year of every product sold. So everything is on the first table, product ID, year, quantity, and price of for the first year of every product sold. So basically you have to calculate the first year in which the product was sold. Suppose the product was sold for 5 consecutive years, only you have to find the year quantity and price for the first year. So let us see the example. Suppose the sales table, in the sales table, see the consider the product ID as 100. So for these two rows, see the year are 2008 and 2009, but in the output we have only considered the year 2008 and written the quantity and price in that year. Similarly, for this row, we have only one entry, so 2011 would be the first year, and we have written the quantity and price as it is. So seeing this question, though there are two tables, but what I am thinking of a solution that we might not require this product table, okay, because we don't need product name anywhere in our output, so we don't have to use the joins. Now, how you will calculate that this is the first year? Okay, you cannot directly write a hard code that if it is 2008 or 2011 because you have to design a wider solution that any data set should suffice that. So I can use rank again. Okay, so I will do a partition on the product ID. So basically one partition would be this and would rank it or in order of the year in ascending order. So 2008 would be given as rank 1 and 2009 would be given as rank 2, and then we will select in our output the rank which is equals to 1. Okay, so I will quickly come here and start designing the solution, and we'll keep executing on every step so that you will have a better understanding. So you can do select whatever it is asked, product ID. Okay, product ID comma then quantity comma price comma rank over, then partition by, as we talked, it will be according to the product ID. So partition by product ID and order by year ascending rank y from sales. Okay, so let us run this and see what output do we get. Now, okay, see, we have divided the every product ID into rank wise into the year ranking. So let me select the year also. Okay. So it will give you a better understanding. So how it has been ranked. Okay, so yes. See, so 2008 has been given as rank 1, 2009 as rank 2. So we have to take the year with rank 1. Okay, so where rank underscore y is equals to 1, and what we have to select? So the columns, now we again write the columns that we select. Product id comma then uh, year as first year. So year as first year, because in the output the year is mentioned with the column name as first year. Then quantity and price. I am forgetting one thing. Ah, if you can think of it till I reach to that point, it would be great for your understanding. Is that I and then from this table. I've forgotten to alias this table. Aliasing is very important, otherwise it will not take those columns. It signifies to the engine uh, behind it executing this query is that this is taken from this subquery. With these columns are taken from particular subquery, so this aliasing is important. Okay, now let's see what output it gives. Okay, see the output has been accepted, so we get the result as expected. So it was very simple question. Only again they have confused you by giving two tables, but we did not required to use the product table, and you have to formulate that data so that you could get to the final result. So I have used rank to formulate that. I have used rank to separate the first year from the other consecutive year. If you can think of any other method, it would be great. Else this method is there with you, so you can come back to this anytime. And for we have selected rank is equals to 1 to get the first row, and then we have selected the column that we required. Don't forget using alias whenever you're using a subquery. So I hope you would have understood this question, and keep practicing, keep learning. Goodbye, and I will see you in my next video.